Femi's Dessert Wheel. So it's another Valentine season, and as always I have come with my Odogu package, my Valentine red box package. This is a package that comes customized with my brand name and comes with a lot of nicely curated, specially packaged gift items, sweet stuff, and some gifts that your loved ones would like. So it's not synonymous with just being a guy or a lady. I created it in a way that either it's a guy or a lady, anybody can actually love it. Very, very, very guaranteed. So let's just take a few moments to look at what we have in there, okay? And then that's it. So here, this is what the cover looks like. And then we have some chocolates. We have this chocolate in it. We have some brownie minis. We have this really cute little teddy that comes with a rose. Look at it. Comes just like that. We have this alcoholic chocolate wine. This is very synonymous with love, right? So you can change your choice of wine. Actually, we have this for those that take alcohol, and then we have the sparkling fruit wine for those that don't like to take alcohol. And then we have, of course, my signature cake trifle in red velvet. Of course, you can have any other flavor, but this is the red velvet romance trifle cup. Okay, and then we have a box of Maltesers chocolates. We have this heart-shaped chocolate loaf. It can be any other flavor, knowing that this doesn't come with any cream. So for those that don't like cream, so this is very good for you. And then we have two variants of cake slices that you can pick your variety yourself. This is something with strawberry and chocolate. And then we have the Femi's favorite here. Like I said, you can pick your favorite. And then we have this room freshener that is really cute. Comes in jelly bits, so you can use this to, put a nice fragrance in your space. And then of course we have the premium Danish cookies, so that you can have something to chew and munch on. And of course a very sturdy box that you can use for any other storage purpose after you use it on Valentine's Day. So this is how you do it. And of course, yes, we have the card, the greeting card that you can address. You can send in your message. It comes in different designs. So if you want to go for the box, I can show you different designs to pick from. And so this is how to handle the box. You cover it up, and then you can carry it like this. So this is super good. Can you imagine a delivery guy coming to your office on Valentine's Day? Remember, it's a weekday, so you can have some bragging rights. So hit me up in the DM for the price. Early bird price is 45,000 naira for everything that contains in this box, and this pricing ends on the 9th of February, which is Thursday, just a few days away. After that, it reverts to the original price of 50,000 naira. I'm sure you can agree with me that everything I have on this table, knowing what is on in the market now, is luxury, and you enjoy every bit of it. Some personalized stuff, and of course some stuff that you can enjoy aside being something curated or something produced by Femi's herself. So hit me up in the DM. I think I have just about 6 boxes left, because the clients that I worked with last year were not having me not wanting to have a package this year, and that's why it came in a little bit late for me to curate a box. They wanted it, and some even went ahead to pay without knowing what I have in it. They said, I did it last year, they know I'm going to do it even better this year. So yeah, I have already some sold out, but I have about 6 to 7 boxes left. So you can be a part of the people that will take that. Booking closes on the 13th, I'm sure, because yeah, most of the stuff inside are already pre-made. So you can hit me up in the DM, and let's make your Valentine's Day a very memorable one. See the new fly.